Module 4, Microbiome Applications for Functional and Sustainable Food Systems.
Welcome to the Microbiome Applications for Functional and Sustainable Food Systems journey with us, as we will uncover the latest trends and challenges shaping the dynamic landscape in the field. The food microbiome refers to the diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea, and their metabolites, inhabiting various environments, including the human body, animals, plants, and the surrounding ecosystems. They are everywhere in the food web. Understanding and managing the food microbiome pose several challenges. Microbiomes support, for instance, soil health and crop productivity, and protect livestock from diseases and food poisoning. As a result, microbiomes in the One Health concept that focuses in the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health have key roles, since they affect the overall health of entire ecosystems. The food microbiome is highly diverse and complex. Countless bacteria, fungi, and viruses coexist, contributing to the complex ecosystem within our food. For instance, the communities of fermented foods, such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and sourdough bread, possess distinctive microbial communities that have key roles in the development of their unique characteristics. Watch as microorganisms engage in intricate interactions within the food environment, forming dynamic communities that shape the fate of our meals. Explore the cutting-edge challenges of microbiome modulation, where interventions shape the composition and function of the food microbiome for health benefits. Probiotics possess a center stage, promoting gut health and influencing overall well-being. Experience the synergy challenges of synbiotics, combining probiotics and prebiotics to enhance the effectiveness of microbiome interventions. Witness the rising trends of functional foods enriched with prebiotics, fostering the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the gut and promoting holistic well-being. Embrace the challenges of personalized nutrition, where understanding individual microbial profiles tailors dietary choices for optimal health. The composition of the food microbiome can change rapidly due to various factors, such as processing methods, environmental and storage conditions. Monitoring and controlling these dynamic changes constitutes a new challenge in ensuring food safety and quality. Delve into the intersection of the food microbiome and environmental sustainability challenges, exploring how food choices influence both personal health and the planet. Microorganisms can influence the quality and sensory attributes of food. Unintended microbial activities, such as spoilage, off flavors, and texture changes, affect consumer acceptability and the product's shelf life. Developing effective and sustainable methods for preserving food while minimizing the impact on the beneficial aspects of the microbiome is a significant challenge. Traditional preservation methods, such as heat treatment or chemical additives, can affect the microbial balance. Keeping pace with technological advancements in microbiome research, such as metagenomics and high-throughput sequencing, is essential. These technologies provide powerful tools for studying complex microbial communities, but also require high expertise and resources. Identifying and characterizing this diversity can be challenging due to the vast number of species involved. Meeting regulatory standards for food safety requires understanding and controlling the food microbiome. Compliance with food safety regulations often involves implementing effective monitoring systems, traceability, and risk management strategies. With the globalization of the food supply chain, products may travel long distances and go through various processing stages. This complexity increases the risk of contamination and challenges in tracking and controlling the microbiome throughout the supply chain. Educating consumers about the importance of the food microbiome, the role of beneficial microorganisms, and safe food handling practices is crucial. Increasing awareness can help consumers make informed decisions and contribute to overall food safety. Now join us as we uncover the exciting trends shaping the world of functional foods and their transformative ingredients, and explore the dynamic world of functional foods and the hurdles faced in harnessing their health-promoting potential. Functional foods are those that provide additional health benefits beyond basic nutrition. They often contain bioactive compounds or ingredients that may positively influence health. However, developing and promoting functional foods come with various challenges. There is a dynamic relationship between microbiomes and functional food ingredients. Functional foods thrive on the symbiotic bond between ingredients and beneficial microbes, strategically enhancing nutritional and health-promoting features. The key method for preserving and optimizing the viability of these microbes is through the immobilization technique. Explore the challenges of the plant-based functional foods world, unlocking the health benefits derived from harnessing the power of plants. Discover how plant extracts and essential oils serve a dual role, stimulating the growth of beneficial microbes and inhibiting the growth of foodborne pathogens and spoilage microbes. Explore the challenges of functional foods enriched with ingredients to promote cognitive health, unlocking the potential to support brain function and mental well-being. Uncover the fascinating trends on the connection between the gut and the brain through functional foods that nourish both, influencing mood and cognitive function. Witness the impact of biotechnological innovations on functional foods, paving the way for enhanced bioavailability and effectiveness of key ingredients. Experience the current trends of personalized nutrition, as functional foods and ingredients cater to individual health needs, preferences, and genetic profiles. Adapting functional foods to diverse cultural preferences and dietary habits on a global scale presents unique challenges that require cultural sensitivity. Understanding and meeting consumer requirements and expectations is crucial, but navigating the ever-changing market trends and educating consumers about functional foods pose significant challenges. Validating health claims for functional foods is a new challenge, requiring rigorous research and testing. Compliance with stringent regulatory standards adds complexity to the development and marketing of functional foods, demanding meticulous adherence to guidelines. Maintaining the stability of bioactive ingredients, especially during processing and storage, is a constant challenge that affects the effectiveness of functional foods. Balancing health benefits with palatability is a delicate task. Optimizing taste and texture without compromising nutritional value still remains a difficult task. Ensuring that functional foods remain affordable for a wide range of consumers poses an economic challenge, requiring innovative solutions. Addressing consumer skepticism and building trust in the efficacy of functional foods is an ongoing challenge, requiring transparent communication. In conclusion, comprehending the food microbiome is pivotal for a secure and sustainable food future. Overcoming these challenges necessitates collaboration across scientists, researchers, producers, regulators, and consumers to ensure global food safety and sustainability. Acknowledge the transformative trends in the food microbiome, envisioning a future filled with possibilities. Similarly, recognize the dynamic trends in functional foods, where wellness and flavor converge, unveiling a future where the intricate landscape of functional foods addresses multifaceted challenges to take center stage in nutrition. Embark on a journey in biotechnology by addressing microbiome challenges in food. Your creative solutions can redefine the future of health and nutrition. Explore how these trends spark your imagination and contribute to innovative functional foods. Your ideas matter. Let them shape the next wave of advancements in biotechnology.